Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop and everything in the crypto space. I make video every day on latest crypto news, pumping coins, airdrops, technical analysis, valuable projects and everything that you need to know about cryptocurrency, because what we do here is just to talk about cryptocurrency basically. So if you're watching our channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Currently we have 2012 subscribers. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. And yeah, if you are looking for a cryptocurrency that has potential that you can invest in, you can take your time to learn more about this last video I made on pancake pool token. Yeah, I feel this project is a project that you should actually add to your watch list. So I put links in my description of my website where I reviews cryptocurrencies. I put links on other stuff I do online to make money, like social media jobs and stuff like that. If you are one of those people that are looking for extra stream of income, you can check them out. And if you have not created a Binance account, I have a link in my description where you can create your Binance account and get 25% discount on creating your Binance account when you perform your first transaction. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to what I want to talk about. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you're going to see this cryptocurrency master contract token, and this currency has moved close to almost 10,000% in the last 24 hours. And this is the token I want to talk about. Now I find this token interesting because this token is created on the new network, not the Binance Match chain, not the Solano, not the Ethereum network, not the BEP20 network. It's created on a new network. And if you look, you're going to see that there's a market capitalization here, and the market capitalization is actually verified. So it has a market capitalization of over $18.7 million, with a fully diluted market cap of over $70 million and a 24 hours trading volume of over $1 million. Basically, this cryptocurrency, with what I'm seeing so far, giving you a market cap, giving you a trading volume, giving you a fully diluted market cap, and actually giving you a circulating market capitalization, is something that I find very interesting, because most times most coins, they don't disclose this information, and this information are the information that can easily make you know what the project is about, gain the trust of the project and stuff like that. Currently this coin is ranking 897 on CoinMarketCap, and I'll just look at the chart. Let's look at the last 3 months. This coin was, let's see when this coin was listed, because from the chart I'm seeing, I think this coin, this is 29th of October 2021. This coin moved from here, and today it's pumped gently. Like initially the market cap was $70,806. It moved to around 9 p.m. that same day to 1 million, over 1.6 million 24 hours trading volume. I mean, it moved again the next, I think the same day around 4 a.m. 3.3 million 24 hours trading volume. Then it pumped massively to 5.37. Then it came down. Now it is just going gradually, and it's ranging around this period of 0.03211. That's the price, right? So guys, I want to check out this project and see if this project is massive. I mean, this project is a project that you can invest in, or it is not a scam project. So basically, they said master contract token MCT is a cryptocurrency that operates on the new platform. Master contract token has a current supply of $80 million with $567 million in circulation. The last known price of master contract token is 0.0304. This is it. Okay, so I'm going to open the official website to learn more about the master contract token, right? But from the chart, what I've seen in the chart, I feel this project is a project that is not a scam project. That is what I think. But then you're going to see they have their Twitter page, you have their Reddit page. I will continue to do more research on this project and be updating you guys on it. But right now, let's open the official website of this project. Now this is the official website of this project. Splice. As Splice, we take our client's vision and create a roadmap for realization. Okay, so they said we get it. You've got big ideas, your dreams are bold, intricate. You don't fully understand the intricate technology needed to drive your idea to the final destination. The options are endless and overwhelming. Blockchain, hardware, Python. These elements would tech consultation, new smart contract, Yeah, this coin is built on the Neo Smart contract. I think it's the first crypto that personally I've seen that is built on the Neo Smart contract. Then they have their web. They provide premium web consultation. Guys, this is a very solid project from what I'm seeing here. That's what I think. But guys, I would like to hear your opinion about this. But this is a solid project, and I think this site has been in existence since 2018. That's the company, the Splice company. Um, I'm going to try to see if I can get access to their. Okay, they left their social media pages on CoinMarketCap. This is the social media page, and this project is on over 4,477 people have put it on their watch list. So if you want to do your own research, I advise you to do your own research on this project. This project is not a scam project. It's not a shit coin. I think it's a project that is solid, but it's something that you just need to take your time to understand more about the project and what they are coming to do in the market. And all their informations are currently verified. For example, you can see the verified icon here, verified. The circulating supply is verified by CoinMarketCap, and I feel you guys should watch out for this project because this project has pumped over 10,971% in the last few minutes, right? So let me see if there's any new scan and see whether we can scan this contract address. New scanner, yeah, it's supposed to be a new scanner, and let's see whether we can. Okay, new reader, new scan.io, new tracker. Okay, let's use this one, new tracker. Let's track this contract address to see if we can get more information about this token. New tracker. So basically, guys, this is not any video I make here is for educational purpose. It's not a financial advice. You need to do your own research so that you can learn more about this project yourself before investing your money, because cryptocurrency is highly risky. You can make a lot of money, you can also lose a lot of money, and I'll not be liable to any loss. Yeah, so let me paste this contract address here and see. Okay, this is the project, the token. The transaction is 291,000 transaction, transfer 7,778, over 778,000 transfers. The address, number of addresses, you have 359,000. This is actually a solid project, guys. If you are one of those people that you like investing in crypto projects, I think this project is something you should look out for, and I believe that you can do more research on it. But I just saw the coin pumping. I quickly decided to make a video on it and give you guys heads up. So this is not a scam token. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. Yes, I'm a Manchester United fan, and I'm expecting Man U to win today's match against Tottenham. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.